Welcome to our tutorial about the Move command. Let's start by creating some geometry, and we'll use that to play around with. Activate the line tool, place my first point with a left click. Now let's turn ortho mode on, and let's create our second point, point number 3, and let's toggle ortho mode off, and turn object snap on. Let me just right click to confirm that endpoints and quadrants are active, because that's what I need. OK. And let's snap here. Activate the circle command. Drop the circle here. Again, activate the line tool. We'll snap to this point, that's the quadrant symbol, and continue my line to this point. Let's snap to this quadrant point and up to this one. Right-click and enter to close the tool. Let's select this line, press delete on your keyboard to remove it. Now let's activate the Move command. It's in the Modify panel. Select the circle and this line, as well as this line. When I finish my selection, I need to right-click to finalize it. Now I select the point to move from, and the second point is where I move to. Let's undo that move. Again, activate the Move command. First, I select the objects to move, the circle and 2 lines. Right-click to conclude the selection. Now the first left click establishes where you're moving from. Turn on ortho mode, and let's enter 5 units in the command line. Enter to accept, and the move is complete. Let's undo that move. Activate the Move command again. Select the circle in both lines. Right-click to finish the selection. First left click is where we're moving from. Second left click is where we're moving to. And our move is complete. Let's undo that move. And let's do one more example. We'll activate the Move command. Select the circle in both lines. Right-click to finish the selection. Now select my Move From point. What I want to do is move this circle along this line at a distance that's equal to the radius of the circle. Let's right-click on the Object Snap toggle and activate Intersection Snap. Now, even with the ghost of the circle, I can still use the Intersection Snap. There's the glyph. Left-click on the glyph to accept the Move To position, and the Move command executes. This concludes our lesson about the Move command.